let's write a node for Turtlesim using Python, because it is really important to execute the concepts practically, because we learned about the nodes, how to create a node in Python for ROS2, and also learned about Turtlesim, how to use Turtlesim. But how to create a custom node in Turtlesim, that is also important, so that we can move the robot as we want in ROS by using Turtlesim, and by this we can learn the working of the simulation in ROS as well. Turtlesim is a 2D simulator and we will write a node for it. So let's jump into the video. First of all, we will create a new package for the Turtlesim node. Previously we created some packages like PubSub and the camera integration package, but especially for this video we will create a new package for Turtlesim nodes. So let's get our terminator. Our workspace name is mobile_robot, and in that we will go in the src folder to create the package. The command for the package creation is ROS2 pkg create. The name of the package x_turtlesim. You can write the name of your choice. Build type amend cmic. Okay, so the package is created, right? You can see the package here. Okay, also try to use VS Code because it gets really easy to manage the packages. Now we will go inside the package, that is x_turtlesim, and now we will create a new folder here. The folder name should be same as the name of the package. If you are not getting these concepts regarding package creation, make sure that you go back and watch the video on the package creation. Also the link is given in the I button, so you can click the I button and go back to that video and again join here. So yeah, we have created the name of the folder. So let's get into that folder as well. So you can skip these steps, like I will just complete the process by creating the init.py and then creating the name of the node. So the name of the node can be move_turtle.py. That makes sense. Okay, and also I will make it executable, give it executable permissions. So yeah, that's done from my side. Sorry. Anyways, okay, so getting back to the VS Code part for writing the code, the first statement is import rcl_py. You can run this video faster, or else skip until I write the complete code, or else you can stay with me and you can follow me to write your own code as well. Okay, so that will be a great practice for you guys. So then we will write rcl_py.node. These statements are not to remember. As you write the code, sometimes you get the things in your mind, so don't worry about it. Then we will create a class. First we will create the, and then we will create the function. Okay, super. Self.publisher. We are creating the publisher here. Okay, so this is for the publisher creation part. Self.create score publisher. I I can like type without looking actually, so that is also part. How I know this topic name? Because I have created this node many times, so you can also get this topic name by running the Turtlesim package and then running ROS2 topic list, so you will get these topics. Okay, so that's not a hard and fast rule. Okay, the topic name you have to search it in the ROS2 topic list, the command, and you can get the topic name there. Self dot timer, sorry, creating publisher. Okay, and here we will write self dot create a time that will be for 0.5 dot move. We are creating the logging message here. Okay, move turtle. Okay, let's call it turtle started moving. That is fine. Okay, so this message will be printed on the terminal. Printed terminal. Okay, so it will be easy to understand. And then for def we will create a function. Sorry. We will create a message. What is a message? It is nothing but the data. So here we are passing the velocity of the turtle sim. Okay, so it will like move with a constant speed by writing linear constant speed, and then we will write the like angular speed, which will be z, and for now we will keep it 0 to avoid the rotation. So no rotation. Then we will have self dot publisher dot publish okay. Now here actually we will write the message only turtle node start. Okay, then it will move after this. So yeah, msg, and then create a message here. Okay. And then turtle is moving forward because it is moving in the linear velocity. That's fine. Actually, I explained the meaning of this particular function in the node creation part. So if you have not watched it, go and watch that video. You will get the explanation there. I will not repeat in this video because we are specially making this video for the Turtlesim practice one. And definitely you should create this node by yourself. or else by watching this video to do some practice, okay, because it will be good to get hands-on on the node creation part and applying the node practically and seeing the turtle sim moving. So it is really a fun exercise. Spin it and then destroy. Okay, so this was the node creation part. I have saved it. So this was about the code. If I summarize the code, then first of all we have to import the necessary statements like the RCLPy library and the geometry images and the twist message. These are some messages that you have to import, and then we are creating the publisher here. You will get this topic name from running the Turtlesim node, and then you can use the ROS2 topic list command to get the topic name there. And after that we are creating a timer here for 0.5 seconds, because after every 0.5 seconds it will call this function move turtle, and here it is publishing the messages on this turtle1 cmdwell topic. These messages are being published on this topic. So that is the basic mechanism of this node, right? So yeah, let's get this node into working. Build clear when ROS2 run x underscore turtlesim. The name of the node was move turtle, sorry. Okay, so yeah, we can see the messages here, right? Turtle node started, right? And it got obstructed because we didn't give any command to stop the turtle. Okay, that's fine. This particular exercise was just for the practicing part, and the concept clearing is very important. You can afterwards change the code and make it stop and move in Angular. So that's how it goes. We can also try that Angular part here by making some changes in the code. Instead of 0 we will write here 1. Let's see what happens. Again launch the Turtlesim node and run the call build is necessary. Whenever we make any change in the node, we have to do the call build part. Then moving the turtle. Okay, you can see that now we have given the angular velocity and the turtle is moving in the circular way. It is making a circle. So that's how it goes. You can make your own node as per your own choice, so that is up to you, right? And make sure that you like this video and share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. We will meet in the next video. Till then, grow, learn and explore together. Bye.